Hello guys, today I am here with...
You can do, oh hi, welcome to this Joshua.
Yeah, it's Joshua Man. And right now it is 10:59 and we're waiting for the test. So...
We're waiting for the test.
Yeah, so we're waiting for the test here. Here we go! Here we go! This thing doesn't like to decode. My 262 didn't go off.
This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KEC95.
Shoot, I gotta get Channel 5, quick!
Potentially situations. All receivers can be automatically and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed. To the following Wednesday to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible. In Northeast South Carolina, Dillon, Florence, Georgetown, Horry, Marion, and Williamsburg, and in Southeast North Carolina, Brunswick, and Columbus. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
Oh shit. Channel 5. And Channel 3.
This morning's river summer